Hi guys!
Welcome to another video. In the next episodes we will be traveling to Romania for some new and fun adventures. Stay tuned as we share with you this winter fun escape in the Carpathian Mountains. But first, in this episode, let's settle in our mountain accommodation.
Hey guys, welcome to Predeal. We are now in Romania for a short winter break. So we are now in Predeal and we just rented the villa here. At the back we have a 4-bedroom villa. We rented this place together with our friends. So let's go inside and show you a short villa tour. Come on. Come inside. This is the main corridor at the entry. So as you walk in, you have a place where you can put your clothes here, your shoes and everything. And as you walk in this way, we're gonna be entering the main salas, the main lounge area. So this is the main lounge area. It's like a living room and kitchen together. So you have like an open kitchen plan here. This is our fridge. We've been grocerying. So since we are staying here with another couple, another family with kids as well, we've been filling up the fridge. We have some things in the freezer as well. A lot of meats. We've been doing barbecue here. And thanks to Matt, who is a good barbecue chef. So we've been having breakfast today. We haven't properly cleaned up everything, but this is the kitchen. You have a stove here, induction up here. Then you have a washing machine here. I'm not sure if it's already washing our dishes from the breakfast, so I'm not gonna open it. We have a sink there. We have a toaster here, kettle warmer. Unfortunately, there's no microwave at the moment, but we managed to warm up everything in the stove here. I think that's about it. The kitchen is fully equipped. You have plates, forks, actually good quality forks and spoons. It's kind of empty now because we are washing it. And yeah, it's a nice kitchen. And over here we have a TV where we've been checking the Eftimies YouTube channel. And we have two chairs here. Elijah has been chilling out and also watching some YouTube. He's cooperating with us at the moment in this room tour, so he's a good boy. These are the views outside, so I'll show you some shots from outside the villa so you can see. We also been doing a snowman there. Not sure if you can see it. Yeah, it's just there. It looks more like a teddy bear. So this is the eating area. We have 2 tables. We've been using this this table to eat, and we've been using the other table just to put our snacks and chill out here. The kids usually play here as well. We have a Christmas tree since it was the Christmas season. We have the Christmas tree here. And then we go up. Since this is a 4-bedroom villa, so we're gonna show you quickly the first floor. Our friends, the Borgs, live there. So this is the first floor. You have a bedroom here. This one doesn't have any ensuite, so no bathroom, but there's a TV, there's a cabinet there for clothes, and then you have here a bed. This is the balcony. There's a big balcony here. Okay, these are the views of the mountain there. And then the balcony also connects the other room, the other bedroom.
So the next room on the second floor is this. This is where our friend stays. And it has an ensuite bathroom. We're not going to enter anymore. But that is how it looks like. It is also connected to the balcony. Okay, next, just across that room is another room, just a basic room.
But this one is ensuite. Also, it has bathroom.
Yeah, and this one has a bathroom as well, ensuite bathroom.
There's a baby crib here. The owner was kind enough to buy one for us. Here.
And then this is the bathroom of this room. Okay, and then there is another bathroom here. I think this is for the room on the first room on the second floor. This is how it looks like.
It's modern.
Yes, very modern. Next, we're gonna go on the last floor. Come over here. Look at the staircase. It's spiral staircase. So whenever you have kids, you have to be very careful because it's not really child friendly. So just watch out for it. Now the last floor is this. The first thing that you will see is the billiard. This is actually like a family room, family area. So there's billiard here. Then there's a sofa and bunch of chairs and a TV. So that's how it looks like. And then the only room on the third floor is our room, which is this. This is how our room looks like. Quite messy right now. And we have an ensuite as well. And this is how it looks like.
So this is the bathroom. Our bathroom is a bit smaller, but has everything you need. Shower here, toilet there, sink and everything here.
That's how it is here in this villa. And we have nice outdoor as well. From this third floor, you will see the barbecue area over there.
Elijah is showing us. What's that, Elijah? Show us, what is this?
A chair.
Okay,
A chair.
Okay.
Yeah, Elijah is
Next.
showing us the room tour. What else you see there, Elijah? What's that on the wall? A TV. Yeah, very good, Elijah.
Okay. And then, Elijah, what's your favorite part here of this place? Is this one? Whoops, careful. Elijah likes to play with the balls, and he's just rolling it over. Ooh, like that.
That's how you play, Elijah.
Look at the red one.
Oh, wow, you scored one. Very good, Elijah. Elijah has enjoyed playing pool here. He cannot use the stick, but he's just gonna throw the balls down. We enjoy staying here and chilling, doing nothing, surrounded by the mountains, the Carpathian Mountains, and the snow. We had a bit of snow. It hasn't snowed while we are here, but it snowed previously, so there is still snow around. Beautiful place for relaxing and chilling in the mountain in the winter time. We hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to share it, give us a like and comment below. And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon above. Thanks, and see you on the next one. Say bye. Bye.